Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to teach you how to delete all friends on Snapchat at once in an easy and a quick way. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and tap on your beauty emoji or profile icon in the top left corner. And after that, just scroll down and tap my friends. So here's the thing. Snapchat does not have button to delete all friends at the same time. But don't worry, here's the easiest way to do it step by step on your phone. Now go through each friend one by one. Tap a friend's name and just go to his or her profile. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Manage Friendship and tap Remove Friends. Just tap Remove again to confirm, and repeat for all your friends you want to remove. So that's it. Now you know how to delete your friends on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching and see you next time.